Hi ladies, how are you doing? My name is Yasser if you're new here. If you're not new, then welcome back. And today I am creating this video. So I was actually going to do it off camera and then I remembered that I say that I will show you guys how I make my afro puffs. For those who have short hair and cannot make their own afro, so this is what I made. I think I've done another video about this like a long time ago. And since I was doing it, I figured I'll just film it again. And these are the cute earrings that I'm wearing. I actually just found them in my earring box and I'm just like, why are they at the bottom? So this is the hair that I'm using. It's X-pression Kinky hair. You can find this hair in all hair brands. Like they all have this hair texture. So it doesn't have to be the same brand that I'm using. Just look at your local beauty supply store and see if you can find hair that looks similar to this one. It's very soft and it's not as tangled as it looks. And this is the hair ties that I'm using. As you can see, I've pretty much lost all the black ones that I had. So I'm just going to work with what I have. You can use black ones if you want to, but just make sure that it's stretchy so that you're able to wrap it around your hair. And this is how I put it around the little hair tie. As you can see, it's very simple. It's just like you're doing a crochet, but you're using your fingers to do the crochet. And I just pull it. It does not even have to be tied. They will not go anywhere. Like the one that I made before, I've had them for almost 2 years now. Because you all know, if you watched some of my first video, how short my hair was. And me, I was not letting that stop me from styling the hair the way I wanted. So I came up with many creative ways on how to style my hair. So if you have short hair, you should watch some of my old videos and see how I was styling my hair when it was super short. This was one of the ways. So I just wanted to make this again because I wanted to wear a big puff this summer. And this is one of the quickest way to do it. And as you can see, I made two. And what I basically did is I put, like one bundle of the hair on each little hair tie. So you can just wear one. You just need to play with it and fluff it out so that you don't have a gap like the way I did. Or if you want a bigger puff, like what I have here, then you need to wear two of them. Three would probably be a little too much for me. But if you want to wear three, girl, go on ahead and do you. So I'm just going to fluff it out just to make sure that it's blending with my hair. As you can see, like the texture of it, it just looks like my hair. And I got it in color 1B, by the way, because my hair is now black. Like it's not like the black. That's why I got 1B. So if you want it to match your hair, make sure you get it. I would suggest that you get it also in 1B because most of us, honestly, a lot of us, I think apart from actually Chinese people, almost everyone in the world doesn't have black hair. So if you can find 1B, girl, get yourself that. And just to add something to it, I'm just going on with this hair band and it's a golden hair accessory. I bought it from icing.com and this is what it looks like. Girl, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe. We upload videos twice a week on Saturday and Wednesday. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.